In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share multiple photos on Dropbox. This process is straightforward and will help you share your images efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Dropbox. You will see a list of results. It is crucial to click on the correct link to ensure you reach the official Dropbox website. This is important because using the official site keeps your account secure. Once you land on the homepage, you will see various options related to Dropbox services. Next up, log into your Dropbox account. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, which are your email address and password. This ensures that your files are accessible only to you and those you choose to share with. After entering your information, click the login button. You should be directed to your Dropbox dashboard shortly. With that ready, click on the Create button and select Folder near the top of the screen. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to name the folder. Choose a name that reflects the contents, like vacation photos or event pictures. Once you have named it, click the Create button. This step is essential because it organizes your photos and makes them easier to manage later on. After that, open the newly created folder to begin uploading your photos. Look for the Upload button, which is usually labeled Upload Files. Clicking this will allow you to browse through your computer's files. Select the photos you want to share. You can choose multiple images by holding down the Control key while clicking. Once you have selected your files, click the Open button. This action will start the upload process. You will see a progress indicator, reassuring you that your files are being uploaded. At this point, once the upload is complete, click the Share button at the top right of the open folder. This button allows you to share the folder with others, making it easy for them to access your photos. You will see options to send invitations or create links. This feature is beneficial because it allows you to control who can view or edit the contents of the folder. Now, enter the email addresses of your recipients in the space provided. Alternatively, you can click the Create button to generate a link. If you choose the link option, you can copy the link and send it via text or email. This flexibility lets you reach out to your friends and family easily. Ensuring everyone receives access is vital for sharing your memories together. Once you have entered the email addresses or copied the link, finalize your sharing setup. Click the Send button if you opted to email directly. If you created a link, paste it into your desired messaging platform. This makes sure your changes are saved and shared with your intended audience. By following these steps, sharing multiple photos on Dropbox is simple and efficient. You can now enjoy sharing your moments without hassle. This process not only saves time, but also keeps your photos organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.